Hi guys, welcome. It's Ashley with Badass Vegan. In this video, I attempt to make soy milk. I actually make it, you can see, but I've never made soy milk before and it was just something I wanted to try. So I show you how to do it. But the reason I made the soy milk was to make tofu. And I feel like there's a stigma around soy in general. And you know, soybeans make tofu and tofu is a staple in a vegan diet. I feel like the negative views on soy tend to come from people that don't eat it, because the people that do eat it, like vegans, like myself, we do our research and we know the benefits of soy. Like the Okinawas from the blue zones, they're like the oldest living community of people, and one of their staple food items is soy and not meat. So, or very, very little meat. So I have some health benefits about tofu that I want to share with you. It's naturally vegan, gluten-free, it has lots of protein, it's a good source of calcium, iron, phosphorus, it promotes a healthy heart, supports bone health, may help reduce cancer. There's a lot of benefits to tofu. I'm a big tofu fan. So, back up please. The point of this video is to make soy milk with the intentions of making tofu. So, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Okay, I've got some non-GMO soybeans that my friend gave me. So I'm going to take a half a cup, put it in a jar. Oh, spill everywhere, because that's what I always do. Whatever. Fill it, cover it with water. And I'm going to soak these overnight. And tomorrow we make soy milk. Here are my soaked soybeans. This is a half a cup and they expanded a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dump all of them with the liquid in this bowl. And then I'm gonna rub them together and get some of the skins to come off. And then I'll put it in the blender. So I'm just gonna rub these together with my hands and the skins will float to the top. And I'm not going to be too concerned about all the skins, but the ones that will float right to the top, I'm just going to remove them. And then I'll put the beans in the blender. So let me work on this, and then I'll get back and show you how to blend it up. Okay, so I've got the soybean skins separated from the actual bean. The beans, the half a cup of beans, are in the bottom of my blender. And I'm going to add 3 cups of water. See that? Water, soybeans. Then I'm going to blend this up until it's like a milky consistency. And I'll show you that when I'm done. Okay, so I blended for about a minute in the Vitamix. See that white, creamy milk consistency? So now you want to strain the beans from the liquid. So I have a bowl with a nut bag. This is for making nut milks or soy milk. So what you do is you pour the liquid through the bag and it's going to strain out the liquid from the bean. You could use cheesecloth as well for this process, and then you just wait and squeeze, and then all the liquid is going to come through. This is the exact same process with almond milk. So you would soak your almonds overnight, or any type of nut. Soak your almonds overnight, add about 3 cups of water. The ratios can change. And if I wanted to sweeten the milk, this soy milk I intend to make tofu with, so I don't want it sweet, but let's say I wanted it in my coffee in the morning. Before I blended it, I would have added 3 or 4 dates, some cinnamon, maybe maple syrup, depending how sweet I want it, some vanilla extract. That would all be really good to make a sweet milk. But I'm gonna make tofu out of this, so I don't want sweet tofu. So I'm just gonna push the rest of this through, and then I'm gonna cook it. Okay, I've got it boiling. I'm gonna skim the foam off the top. And then I'm gonna turn it down and simmer it for 20 minutes. There we go. Okay guys, so after the soy milk simmered, I put it in this glass bowl and let it sit and cool down for about 40 minutes. Now I'm gonna pour it in this jar, put the lid on, and then put it in the fridge for a couple days. It lasts in the fridge. I'm not gonna lie, it definitely tastes a little bit like beans still. If I was gonna drink this, I probably would have simmered it for longer to get rid of that bean flavor, but I'm gonna turn it into tofu anyways, so that's fine with me. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make soy milk. Thank you for watching. Bye.